Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add Instagram to Facebook account, and now let's dive right in. Now to add your Instagram account to Facebook account, first open up your Facebook app on your phone. And over here guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your three line icons with your profile picture icon. Tap on it. And over here on this interface, again at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the settings or the gear icon. And over here guys, you'll be able to see the Meta Account Center at the top of the screen. Tap on Meta Account Center. And over here again, tap on Profiles at the top of the screen. And on this interface guys, you can see the Add Accounts button available for us. Now in order to add your Instagram account to Facebook, tap on that Add Accounts. And then you'll be directed over here into the login page of Instagram, where you'll be able to add your Instagram account to your Facebook account after signing into your Instagram account. And let's let it load. And over here guys, either you can see with your continue with your account which is available on your Instagram, or you can just tap on switch account to log into another account. And over here guys, enter your username or email address or the phone number of your Instagram account, and then enter your password over here, and then tap on login button at the bottom of the screen over here, and then you'll edit your Instagram account to your Facebook account. And guys, this is how to add Instagram account to Facebook account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.